as the crib scene initiated in Assisi with San Francesco, who wished to create a living nativity scene for the peasants in the countryside in the early 13th century. And he preached the Christmas gospel in a stall with an ox and an ass. It said that the baby Jesus appeared miraculously in his arms. So in Assisi we have the creche scene display by extraordinary artists who create their presepe, the nativity scene, with quite extraordinary detail. No words necessary to describe the beauty. Look at the detail. And the scenes are set in Italian villages generally, representing Bethlehem, with all the scenes of daily life represented. The markets, the osteria, the inn, the vendor of cheeses, prosciutto, salami. Look at the detail of the costumes here. Extraordinary handwork here. And here's San Francesco. Present here at the birth of Christ. Vecchio doing extraordinary crib scene work, beautiful textile work. And this is the largest display here. Vecchio. All the scenes of village life. Village life in Italy, not in Bethlehem. Prosciutto, salami, fruits and vegetables. Cheese vendor. The fish vendor. This is taking place near the seaside. Beautiful detail of the baskets, the boats. Nativity scenes here in 14th century City Hall of Assisi. The Mostra dei Presepi, the show of crib scenes. This one created in a basket. This is called the l'arte dell'intreccio, the art of the intertwining, of the weaving.